Your device is linked to iCloud and you want to remove iCloud from it but forgot the password. Don't worry, I got you. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove iCloud from your device. This method will allow you to unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch in seconds and reset Apple ID if you forgot Apple ID password. Also bypass screen time passcode on iOS devices effectively and bypass MDM without data loss and support the latest iOS versions. So without any words, let's go ahead and start the process. I'm gonna show you all the steps that you need. So the first thing you will do is go to the official website of TunesKit Activation Unlocker, and as you see, the software will help you to unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch passcode in seconds, remove iCloud activation lock and Apple ID without password, bypass screen time passcode without losing data, bypass and remove MDM profile with no data loss, remove iTunes backup encryption without damaging data, and fully support the latest iOS versions. If you scroll down here, you will see some of the software features. The software can instantly unlock iPhone without passcode from different scenarios, no matter what types of passcode you are using, such as 4-digit or 6-digit passcode, custom numeric or alphanumeric code. TunesKit iPhone passcode unlocker can easily wipe and remove them in one click. You can use it to completely remove Apple ID from your device without password. It can quickly unlock iPhone passcode with a disabled screen, broken screen, unresponsive screen, emergency call screen, and more. You can regain full access to your iOS device. Now just go ahead and download the software. The software supports both Windows and macOS. Since I'm using macOS, so I will download macOS version. Okay, the software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. Once the download finish, open it to install the software. Click agree. Now just move TunesKit Unlocker to Apps folder. After installing the software, go ahead and open it. This is the software and this is the main interface. It's very easy and simple to use, and I'm gonna quickly explain all the software features. So the first option we have here is Unlock iOS Screen. With this, you can quickly remove screen lock passcode, no matter what types of passcodes you are using, such as 4-digit or 6-digit, custom or alphanumeric code. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker can easily wipe and remove them in one click. With the Remove iCloud Activation Lock option, you can remove activation lock. If you forgot the Apple ID password for activation lock or your iPhone is stuck in the lost mode, the tool can also help you bypass activation lock without Apple ID or password in a few minutes. With Unlock Apple ID option, you can easily remove Apple ID from your device if you forgot your password. It will remove iCloud permanently. With Remove MDM option, you can quickly and easily remove MDM without data loss. MDM lock, which also known as mobile device management, is used to supervise and manage iPhone or iPad remotely. If you want to get rid of all restrictions, just try this to bypass MDM and remove MDM profiles without data loss. With Unlock Screen Time Passcode option, you can easily bypass screen time passcode. If you want to disable or delete screen time lock to remove the limit on iPhone but forget screen time passcode, TunesKit can help you get rid of screen time without passcode and no data loss. And finally, with Remove iTunes Backup Encryption option, you can access your encrypted iTunes backup again and remove the encryption. TunesKit Unlocker is the perfect solution to remove iTunes backup password. Okay, what I'm gonna show you is how to remove Apple ID from your device. Here, as you see, this is my iPhone and I have iCloud on it. To completely remove the iCloud, you need the password. So let's say for some reasons you forgot your password and want to remove the iCloud from your device. So what are you gonna do? I'm gonna show you what to do to completely remove it. So now let's connect the iPhone to my Mac. Okay, my device is now connected. Here, please read the note. Removing the Apple ID will erase all the data on your device. Okay, go ahead and click start. Now here, it will ask you to confirm if your device has a screen lock or not. So make sure to enable screen lock. Just go to settings, scroll all the way down to passcode option, scroll down and turn passcode on. I will enable it. Okay, let's type 1111. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, Okay, the passcode is now on. The second thing is to make sure that two-factor authentication is enabled. Just go to iCloud, go to sign in security option and make sure it's on. Okay, now we are ready to go to the next step. Click next button. Please confirm that the device has set up a screen lock. If the screen passcode is turned off, please set it up first. I'm gonna show you that my device has a passcode. Okay. Click yes. Please confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled on the device. Click yes. Confirm. Okay, now here you need to download the firmware package. This may take some time depending on the internet speed. I will skip this. Okay, the download is finished. Now click here to add the firmware package. Okay, this is it. Now it will verify the firmware package. Wait a few seconds. Okay, now all you have to do is just go ahead and click unlock and wait for the process to finish. It will take some time, so keep waiting. I will speed up the video. And boom, it's now done. Now just follow these steps on your device to completely remove the iCloud and set up your device. So let's continue on iPhone. Okay guys, now here is the final and important step. When you are on the activation lock screen, you should find unlock with passcode option. Press on it, hit use device passcode. Now here just type the passcode that you have set up. Do you remember the passcode that I used? It's 1111. So I will type it now and see if it will work or not. Okay, boom, it worked. iCloud has been completely removed from my device. Now just go ahead and complete your device setup. As you can see right up on home screen, iCloud has been completely removed. So this is TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. It's a professional iPhone passcode removal software that allows users to remove iCloud without entering a password. Forget or lost your Apple ID password. Apple ID is locked for security reasons. No worries. You can use TunesKit to completely remove Apple ID from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without password. It's really useful and easy to use. Make sure to download it and give it a try. Also make sure to use the discount code. You can find it in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.